हाय गाइस, सो आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ एक मेकअप रूटीन। बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जिनको आज भी नहीं पता है कि कौन सा प्रोडक्ट कब यूज़ करना चाहिए, एंड दिस मेकअप रूटीन इज़ वेरी बजट फ्रेंडली। एक एक प्रोडक्ट का आपको पूरा डिटेल्स वगैरह सब मैं अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन में सारे लिंक्स प्रोवाइड करूँगी। मोस्टली मैं सारे मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स नायका से ही मैंने ऑर्डर किए हैं। सो लेट्स गो। द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग आई विल बी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम इज़ दिस इनिसफ्री प्योर टोनर, पोर टोनर, सॉरी। आप देख सकते हो, बहुत अमेजिंग है, बहुत अमेजिंग है। इसके प्रोडक्ट्स रियली अमेजिंग है। आई ट्राइड इट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम बट आई एम रियली हैप्पी, रियली हैप्पी। सो इफ़ यू आर न्यू एंड यू डोंट नो विच मेकअप, लाइक विच कॉस्मेटिक्स, विच स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम, इनिसफ्री एक राइट प्लेटफॉर्म, एक राइट स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स है जो आप ऑर्डर कर सकते हो। द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग विल बी दिस टोनर। टोनर मैं हाथ से ही लगाऊंगी, मुझे इसके लिए कुछ स्प्रे या किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं है। आप एक इसको स्प्रे बॉटल में डाल के स्प्रे बॉटल की तरह भी यूज़ कर सकते हो। Let it dry for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so now the next step will be to moisturize your skin. आपने टोनर लगा लिया है, अब next step is to moisturize your skin. My favorite moisturizer is this Mamaearth Oil Free Acne. जिसको एक्ने का इश्यूज़ है वो ये यूज़ कर सकते हैं। माई स्किन इज़ वेरी प्रोन टू एक्ने, बट जब से मैं ये यूज़ कर रही हूँ बहुत अच्छा इफ़ेक्ट है, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा है। सो आई यूज़ दिस प्रोडक्ट ओनली। टेक अ लिटिल अमाउंट ऑन योर फिंगर्स एंड मॉइस्चराइज़र कभी भी आपको 8 के एंगल में लगाना, लाइक सपोज यू आर मेकिंग एन 8, वैसा आपको लगाना चाहिए। मेक एन 8 अगेन। Done. Now the very first thing we'll be doing is I have got a lot of dark circles due to lack of sleep, I guess. Dark circles मुझे पहले से ही है, not lack of sleep. So the next product I'll be using is Pro Concealer. This is another amazing product from LA Girl. इसके concealers, since starting only I use LA concealer because then it hides your blemishes. Now the next step will be to blend it. So I have got an amazing blender again from Nykaa. I'm not promoting Nykaa guys, don't worry, but मुझे अच्छा लगता है वो साइट। This says BP Bronson blender. It is really nice. Sometimes I use my fingers to blend everything, but blender भी अच्छा होता है. It also gives you good effects. सब प्रोडक्ट मेरे ब्लेंडर पे आ गया है। I usually try to blend all my makeup using all my makeup products, like for example this concealer and foundation, using my fingertips, because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि that is the best blending technique, like this fingers give you best blending technique. So for example I can show you. इससे काफ़ी क्विकली ब्लेंड हो जाता है सब कुछ इजीली। ब्लेंडर से अच्छा रिज़ल्ट है कि नहीं। Done. So the color is pure beige. Pure beige goes for every skin tone, like every fair skin tone. अगर आपको पता नहीं है कि आपको किससे स्टार्ट करना चाहिए तो आई थिंक प्योर बीज एक बेस्ट है ऑर्डर करने के लिए. Now the next part will be applying your foundation. I don't know, many people say that after applying the eyeshadow, the blush on, you should apply foundation, but I don't find it helpful, so I directly jump to foundations. सबका अपना अपना तरीका होता है यूज़ करने का. So I use this matte poreless Fit Me foundation. I'm using this since ages when I did not even knew कि like कैसे मेकअप करते हैं, क्या क्या बेसिक प्रोडक्ट्स होता है आपकी तरह ही. एंड द कलर विच आई यूज़ इज़ 230 नेचुरल बफ, क्योंकि मुझे ये काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है. इट गोज़ विथ ऑल द स्किन टोन्स. अगेन द फेयर वंस. अगर आप थोड़े डस्की स्किन हो तो फिर प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. As I said guys, there are many people who apply the eyeshadows first and then they go for foundation and all, but they are also not wrong. Sabka everywhere it is different protocols. Everywhere they have different rules and regulations. This is not rules and regulations, but still like लोगों का अपना तरीका अलग होता है. मेरा तरीका अलग है, आपका तरीका अलग हो सकता है. So that is how if you see the texture is so smooth, it settles down on your skin very quickly. Don't forget to, take care of all the parts of your face, be it your nose, be it anything. Some people what they do is they apply a lot of concealer, a lot of foundation to hide each and everything, and they give their skin a cakey look, which I really don't like. I'm okay if my dark circles are seen thoda sa bhi, but let your foundation be absorbed by your skin naturally. Give it 2 minutes. Don't forget to apply foundation on your neck region, as well as a bit of the part of your neckline which is exposed. So now the next step will be your compact. I use this 925 compact of Lakme. Again, the shade depends on your skin tone, so that you can just see and purchase. The reason why I apply compact foundation on my eyes also, because then the eyeshadow settles down really well. You get a good eye makeup done. Done with the compact too. So now is the time to apply your eyeshadow. Again, um, I have ordered this Lakme Absolute Spotlight. They have 3 options in this, and I have ordered, I don't remember the name, sorry. Lakme Absolute eyeshadow palette. I use this. I like the colors in this. So now, as I'm doing a routine makeup, I'll be using very basic colors. So I'll take this, the nude shade kind of a thing. Okay. Make sure that both of your eyes look same. Second color which I'm thinking to apply is a bit of glossy appearance. So for that, there is one golden shade over here. I'm using that. Keep this in mind that you have to blend everything nicely. See, it gives you a good shimmery feeling. Not very much, but yes, a bit. The next thing I'll be doing is I'll be applying this eyeliner. This is again Lakme. This is one of my favorite eyeliners. I also use L18, that is also good. These are budget friendlies, and if you want to go for a higher version, then it is on you. Make sure that both sides it's looking same. Now the next part is mascara. So I like Maybelline. I like this matte look mascara also. Again, budget friendly. Done with the mascara also. The most important thing I forgot were my eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, I'm using this Miss Claire product, eyebrow cake. I used this when I was in first year medical college. I'm using it since then. It gives you an immediate effect. Make sure that your eyebrows don't look uneven. Done with the eyebrows now. It's time to apply your blush on. This is a local product, but I like the color, so that is why I purchased it from a novelty shop. Mary Drop. Now, with the help of a blush on applicator, I'll apply it. So whenever you take it from the whenever you try to apply blush, make sure that you release the extra powder, and you just have to cover from this to this area. Don't go down, don't go here. From here, this box. I don't like to apply blush on very much. I mostly prefer applying highlighter on my cheeks. Remove the extra ones anytime. The next thing I'll be using is a highlighter, which is again my favorite from Swiss Beauty. Not too much because it's normal makeup. Still, if you want to highlight, now I'll be giving a final touch up with this lipstick of Nykaa. I know this is very small in quantity, but if you see the color, it's amazing. Ta-da! And you're done with it! Sorry. Just to tap the extra makeup. Not too cakey, not too bad. Let's just make this a traditional look. You can just convert this into a traditional look by just doing few things. Wearing jewelry, of course, earrings, necklace. Now what is remaining is the bindi, which is my favorite. I just love to apply bindi. Hi, this is how we make an ordinary makeup look amazing. So just adding few things. Doing makeup is not very difficult, it is an easy task only. So if you like my video, just share and follow.